Welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Tuesday the 11th of April with Move Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets looking at dollar yen. And we're seeing this dollar yen just continuing to go steady. There's just a little bit of a corrective move that we've seen today, 25 to 30 ticks lower with a very marginal safe haven sort of move. And this move is continuing to put pressure on this old uptrend that's been in place since September. And it's on the brink of sort of really breaking to the downside, but not quite done it yet. Not on a closing basis, certainly. Yes, you've had several days of intraday tests, but ultimately the market sort of rallied into the close and sort of held on to them to that uptrend. But still putting pressure on. 110.09 remains the big key support. Near term, that is a level that remains in place. Nothing has breached that yet. Just sort of drifting really in a consolidation phase. That overhead resistance of the pivot at 111.60, that remains a key level. Again, yesterday forming the high before rolling over. So there is sort of a consolidation really going on, and you can see this reflected in the hourly chart, whereby basically you are trading sideways in a range between 10.09 11.60, with that obviously that upside poke above that towards 12.20, but that failed. So you'd see that the resistance still comes in around 11.60, still supported around 10.09. You got them. Look at these momentum indicators oscillating between 30 and 70 on the RSI, so you'd play that, hitting 30 recently. So does that now mean that you're going to get another technical rally? It's possible, certainly, with the MACD lines if they start to sort of rally, stochastics if they start to pick up on the hourly as well. So you could start to already see the market turning around. 110.43 has been today's low. You could see if you start to find that having been supportive on several hours of basis, then you may well see that the market starts to buy again. You've got a bit of a mid-range pivot around 11 big figure, which the market has been sort of paying fairly decent attention to over the last few days. So that is your initial resistance, and then obviously 11.60. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.